Hello guys, welcome to Auto Syndicate. One fine afternoon. I think summer is hitting, it's getting really hot in Bangalore. So today I have with me a ZEN. What's cooking? Well, I have a Hyundai Ion and S-Class. What am I doing with the ZEN? See, the ZEN needs an upgrade with an exhaust system, and it's a friend's car. He's like, bro, get it done and give me the car. So I'm like, okay bro, I'll get you the best exhaust done possibly. So I'm going on my way to get a full exhaust system done on the ZEN. Stay tuned. I'll show you the before and after exhaust note. If you like the exhaust note and you want a similar exhaust for your ZEN, probably DM me and I'll be glad to help you. Stay tuned guys. Hey, check out the ZEN. This is the ZEN which is going to get an exhaust upgrade today. Looks neat, doesn't it? Only thing that's pending is a good exhaust, and I think this car will be really nice on the road. Here, the car is getting loaded on the platform. Guys, see this car. It is a Maruti Suzuki ZEN Mpi. Looks like a ZEN Mpi, but we just realized that this is not a ZEN Mpi. It is a 1998 ZEN, and it's a carburetor engine. So the exhaust system will be a slightly different one compared to the Mpi, and there the exhaust is in making. See in here also for a slight exhaust alteration. The owner felt the exhaust was too loud, hence he's here for a extra resonator. A little milder one, so the sound is going to be a little milder of this Gypsy. So once he starts the car, I'll make you hear to this Gypsy as well. See, this manifold is ready. Check out this carburetor engine. Stock muffler and the catalytic converter. Look at this muffler, it's so big. This is the stock manifold. The manifold is fitted. We are in the final stage of the exhaust fitting. Guys, listen to the noise. Listen to the exhaust. Guys, listen to the exhaust.